Okay guys, today we're at Tote Boy's bin store, and as you can see, it is Monday, it is dollar day. Let's go see what we can get for $1.
We have 2 carts. Okay. Are they together or separate?
Do.
Together. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
All right, do this one first, okay? 4, 5, 6, 7, 24, 25.
That's 25.
6, 7, 9, 30.
Bird food.
Yeah.
I got bird food. You know what? For the outside birds.
I did too.
Those 2 whites?
Yeah. Did you?
35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Got a couple things for Drea. In the house.
51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 2.
Yep.
All right, here's that one, 62. All right.
What?
Sweat, 62.
Oh my gosh.
You want that?
She's sweating. I got you sweating.
Yeah, I'm sweating now. All right. 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73. Should have put that one on the bottom. Didn't count yet. 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83. Very much fun. 83,
Yeah.
84, 85, 86, 87, 87,
Did you want this?
88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. 1 second, okay? 94. Okay. 97, 94. Are you videotaping me?
Oh yeah.
Oh my God, I'm sweating.
Not you, this stuff.
Oh,
I mean,
I was like, what? Is it gonna go viral?
maybe.
Please not.
But it might.
Okay, 95. All right, 96, 97, 97,
Will you put this one over there?
90, wait, 98, 99, 98, 99, 100. Oh my goodness. Wait, 100. 1,
Yep.
2, hold on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
I got lots of dog
10,
treats too.
11, 12, 13. I know I got them already. Here's this one. 13. $14, $15, $16. $17, $18, $19, $20, $21, $22, $23, $24, $25, $26, $27, $28, $29, $30, $31, $32. There's a whole new one. 32, 33, which are my favorite numbers. Here's that It's a lot.
Yeah.
34, 35, 36. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. 144.
Well, that was fun. We've been wanting to come here for a while. I
Yeah.
have, because Raleigh, we don't really have, we have one bins store, not the Goodwill bins, but a bins store, like a bins liquidation store in our town, but it's not that great. So we come up to Raleigh, North Carolina,
That one was fun.
and came to Tote Boys.
Yeah.
And the folks here, God, listen to me, it's the Southern influence, are very nice.
Yes.
And we got some good stuff. I
Yeah.
mean, $144, and I'll show you, we even got lunch
We did.
for $1. So these are going to be like 25 cents each. We got
The
these.
Quest bars.
We got a box full of Quest bars.
These are like $9 at Walmart. We got them for $1.
Pretty good.
I
That's
mean,
really good.
yeah.
So we did pretty good. So our other account is going to have this stuff, not our clothing accounts,
Yeah.
but our other account on eBay. And we got some stuff for ourselves too.
Mhm.
Yeah, and lots of dog treats. And lots of bird stuff. So we spent $144 plus tax. But some of the stuff we got was like bird suet to put outside for the birds, and dog treats.
Too. I got some to sell. I'm gonna look them up.
Oh, did
to
you?
Sell 'em.
I got them to put outside for the birds. So we did really good. This was a very good example of
Buying low.
with some, like you mean it.
Buy low.
Sell high and subscribe. Oh, and by the way, P.S.
Ding the bell.
P.S. Yes, ding the bell, or ding Betsy. Bing. Betsy, when she was taking the cart back, her login look blouse that she's so proud of that she got on 50 Cent Day blew up.
50
So,
The whole back of my back was showing.
yes,
I was like,
it was
woo!
shopping and a show. We'll see you later, guys. Thanks so much for watching. We appreciate it. Bye.